Hey, what's up guys, Jaeky here. Today we're going to be checking out the AIR68 from MorgRie. This is an ultra slim, low profile mechanical keyboard, and it's currently retailing on MorgRie's website for $89 USD. If you do want to pick this up, I will leave my affiliate link in the description below, and you can use my code Jaeky at checkout for a discount on your order. So yeah guys, huge shout out to MorgRie for sponsoring this video and sending out the AIR68 for me to check out. You can currently get this in two different colorways, that being either white or silver, and there's only one switch type available for this keyboard, that being the linear switch. This keyboard does support tri-mode connectivity, meaning that you can connect it via Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, or wired. This makes it an excellent choice for office use and productivity. Here are the other specs of the keyboard in case you're curious. It does come with a 4000 mAh battery, which according to MorgRie can last up to 30 days. So with all that out of the way, let's unbox this keyboard. Pretty nice, simple packaging here. Right off the bat, we have three different packages. We have the cable, instruction book, and a gift as well. So the first box here is the cable. Inside of this box, you do get a braided USB-C to USB-A cable, as well as the 2.4 GHz wireless receiver right here. In the second box here, all that's in here is the user manual. This lists out a bunch of the different key combinations that you can use to increase, decrease volume, as well as mute and all of that other good stuff. You can see here that you can connect up to 3 different Bluetooth devices and you can switch between them on the fly, which is very nice. And it also has pairing instructions for the Bluetooth in here as well. In the free gift box, we get a keycap and switch puller 2-in-1, which is pretty standard, as well as 4 extra keycaps in case you're using this on a Mac. You do have a command key here if you are using it with an Apple device. Okay, so that's all you get in terms of the accessories. Next is of course the keyboard itself. This is what the board looks like right here. It is an aluminum alloy case, which makes it feel very premium. There is quite a bit of weight to it. It is again also a low profile keyboard, meaning that the switches and the keycaps are low profile, as you can see right there. I personally really like low profile keyboards for productivity. I think they're very nice to type on. And yeah, like I mentioned earlier, this is the silver colorway right here. Also, there is no RGB on this keyboard, which I actually don't mind because I don't even like having RGB on my keyboards. Gives it a very nice clean aesthetic. On the bottom here, there are no flip out feet to adjust the typing angle. All you get is this metal bar on the top here that gives you a set typing angle. And on the top of the board, you have your USB-C port on the top right, as well as your switch to toggle between the different connection modes. Okay, so putting the AIR68 on the table here, it does actually slide around a little bit on the desk. Even though there is that rubber strip on the bottom of the board, it doesn't grip as tight as you might want it to on your table, so you can push it around. Obviously, if you want your keyboard to stay completely still, this isn't ideal, but if you do like to push your keyboard around as you type, then this might actually be good for you. But overall, the build quality feels very solid. It is just a solid piece of aluminum here. There's really no flex or bend to the board itself. Alright guys, so here's the board all plugged in. Like I mentioned earlier, there is no RGB or lighting on this keyboard. The only LEDs you get here are on the front of the board, as you can see, with these little 6 LED dots, and I imagine this shows you how much battery life is left on the board, but other than that, there's no lighting on this keyboard. So while we're here, let's do a quick sound test of these linear switches. Alright guys, as for the software, this keyboard does support VIA, which means that it is compatible with the VIA software, so you can plug this keyboard into the VIA website and it will automatically be recognized. This is great because VIA provides support for basically everything including remappable keys, as well as macro support, so if you do use macros then that is supported. You can also just use the keyboard's onboard shortcuts as well, which is provided in the user manual, so depending on whether or not you need that advanced usage, you can use VIA, but if you just need basic things, you can just use the onboard shortcuts. Now let's try out the wireless 2.4 GHz connection to make sure that's working properly. So I'm just going to take the 2.4 GHz dongle here, and I'm just going to plug this into my computer. Now we're just going to unplug the keyboard itself and make sure we flip the switch over to the wireless mode. Just like that, you can see it flashes this yellow color and then it goes away. And now it's connected. So as we can see, it is connected via the 2.4 GHz wireless, and it seems to be working perfectly as intended. There is little to no latency, at least none that you will actually feel, which is very important. Even for a productivity keyboard, you don't want any latency when using it wirelessly, and it seems like there is no latency that you can feel on this board, which is great. So yeah, no noticeable latency whatsoever on 2.4 GHz, and yeah, really no complaints with the wireless performance. So that's pretty much it, guys. That is the AIR68 from MorgRie. Pretty solid little low profile keyboard that's not super expensive either. My only real complaint with this board is the fact that it does slide around on your desk and it doesn't have the best grip onto your table. That's really the one thing that I hope they improve upon. But other than that, a pretty solid low profile keyboard for productivity, especially if you need that tri-mode connectivity. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Once again, I will leave a link to this keyboard in the description below if you want to check it out. But that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.